So in this video, I'm just going to show you an easy and a quick way of how you can download and install Docker Ubuntu on your Linux. So as you can see, I'm in my web browser and I've typed the Docker Ubuntu. You can just specify Docker 2 and then you just come onto the first link. Then you click on the first link, which is the install Docker engine. Make sure you click on the first link and when you type your Docker Ubuntu, or you can just type only Docker and then leave the Ubuntu. But I decided since I'm running Ubuntu, I type Docker Ubuntu. Then I hit enter. And I type on the first link. Okay, great. So you can see I've just logged into my Docker website and then it shows me install Docker engine in Ubuntu. Since I specified the Ubuntu on my web browser, the engine search. So when you decide to just search for the Docker, they will give you an options where it will show you the path, either Kali, macOS, Windows, or any other distro you might be running, and then you just click on the one that you are currently running and that you currently want to install the Docker engine. So you can see I'm just on my Ubuntu Docker here. So, and then Ubuntu, installing Docker on Ubuntu comes in two ways, either by using the repository with the GitHub versions, with the GitHub side, yeah, and then or by packages. So in this video, I'll show you how you can do it by package. Since it is the easy and the quick way of how you can install it on your Linux, on your machine. So I'll just scroll all the way down to where I will find. You can see, since I said it, we're using the package, using how you can install from the packages. So you can see I have my install from the package here. And then here give us pretty much of options that we can follow to get Docker running on our Linux distro. So you can see it said go to this link here. So I'll just click on this link here and it will just blink me. It will just take me here. Yeah. So when I click on this link, this is what I'm going to see. And then this is the type of the distro that your Ubuntu will be running. And then I think so Ubuntu version 2022 comes with the Jammy, and then the 2024 comes with the Oracle. Yeah. So for you to check the distro or the disk of the Linux that you are running, either by Kali Linux, or you just click Kali Linux, then the disk, or Ubuntu, then the disk. Then I have an options of where I want to show how you can type it. So in this page, I just type Ubuntu distro, and then it will show me all the versions that comes with their code name. So the code name is the code name is the distro. So you can see that this is the 2024, the Oracle, and then the 2022, the Jammy that I was talking about. So yeah, that's how you're going to find the distro. So let's move on how we can take a caution on how we can follow along. So in this side, when you are able to identify the distro of the Linux that you are running, you just click on either, like I said previously, if you are on the 2024, it's the Oracle, and then if you are on the 22 version, it's the Jammy. So since I'm on the 22, I click on the Jammy. Make sure you follow this side, make sure you follow this procedure carefully, because if you don't get the right distro, the packages, it won't run, or Docker won't be able to run on your machine. So I click on the Jammy here. And then when I click on the Jammy, it takes me also into this side too. This side looks like it's not secure, but it's really secure. Yeah, this side, because as you can see from here, it's an HTTPS. So I just click on the pool, which is the pool. I click on it, and then I click on the stable. Please make sure you follow the procedure carefully. I click on the stable, and then from here you specify the architect of your machine, either you want ARM64 or MD64. So mostly this the two that mostly the architect of our machine are being run. So mine is an AMD, so I click on the AMD. Okay, great. So when you click on the AMD, you could see a whole bunch of what versions of the package that they say is installed. So you need to take caution to here. You need to be careful on the type of package you get. So first, this shows this the first one shows the current version. So that I just click on the first one, the container IO that it says we should install. I click on the container IO, it will start downloading, and then you scroll all the way to the down to they say we should download the Docker CE, the CLI, which is the command line interface. I click on that one too. It also shows me that I should download the Docker Broad S plugin, which is the first one which shows the current version, or you can go with any other version that, but normally since this is the current version or the current packages, you click on the first one too. So now remaining two packages for us to download. So we scroll all the way to the down, scroll all the way to the down. Here too we could see the Docker CE version 2 here. So I click on the first version here, which is left with the last one for us to download. So we scroll all the way to the down, and then we click to on the Docker Compose here. So now we are able to get our 5 packages. So let us move on to the next video and see how we can be able to install or run Docker on our machine. So the next thing for me to do is to go to the actual directory. So it's on my downloads. Let me see my calendar. Okay, so I'll head over to my downloads. Oops. So user oops. What is happening? So okay, so proceeding onto our home first. Let me check our home. Okay, see me onto my para. Make sure I spell that correctly. Para like this. Okay, then I check. Okay, I see into my downloads. And I check again. Okay, for you to see, let me clear it. Let me open it so that you could see clearly from what I'm doing. Okay, so I list all my files again with ls. Okay, so this side you could see all the packages, all the packages that we need to download: the container IO, the Docker Brothers, the Docker CE, the Docker CLI, and the Docker Compose. I have all the 5 packages installed. So the next thing for me to do is use the sudo command. So I'll do sudo, spell that correctly again, sudo dpkg like this, space dash I, or you can specify the install. Remember, you go with the I, and then you come here and then you copy the whole. Actually, copy it here. You copy everything here like this. Everything here. So I copy with the first, as I said, the first how. So this is how we install with the dots and then the forward slash. Before I paste my command here like this, and then I hit enter, it will ask me of my password. So I just type my long password. So after your password is being matched correctly, it will start downloading the packages. So we wait if, and this depends. The speediness of this might depend on the architect of the machine or the speed of the processor and the performance of your machine. So hope this will finish packing very soon, and then we move on to the next packages and we do. Actually, so the next, all the procedures go with the same. All the rest of the package go with the same procedure. You just change the name with the sudo dpkg-i, and then you press copy and you paste the packages there. So okay, so after you are done with all the installation, after you are done installing the packages, we need to also check if the Docker is really installed, or we need to check if the Docker is the version of the packages are really installed. So first thing we do is we do Docker dash dash version. So I spell that correctly, Docker dash version. Then hit enter. Okay, so here we can see Docker is really installed. Great. So let us also check if we have our Docker compose also. Compose dash version. So I spell that correctly. Version. Yeah, version. Hit enter. Okay, so right now Docker is fully what's installed. Okay, and then the last thing for me to show you is how we can start Docker. So for us to begin, we need to do the sudo, we do service, then Docker, then the last thing is what starts or enable, or you can just do sudo service start Docker or sudo service Docker start, then you hit enter. This will automatically start Docker on your line, and then you can use. So this is what we need to specify to start our Docker. And right now you can see that Docker is really started on our machine, and right now we can be able to use Docker for our building our house and building our website. So once again, do well to subscribe onto the YouTube channel CSC for more updates and for more tutorials. See you in my next tutorial. Bye bye for now.